What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I've got a treat for you because I have not been here for a while. So let's make some cupcakes. The recipe is really quick and yummy, and I know they are not really healthy, but they are a treat, so they are completely alright. So let's get started. This is what you will need. You will need some flour, baking powder, cacao powder, milk, butter, 2 eggs, olive oil, some sugar, and some white chocolate chips if you want to. First thing I'm going to be doing is putting the 2 eggs into a bowl and mix them. Now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna be mixing it together. Now I add 2 more tablespoons of milk. Half a cup of sugar, and a little bit of salt. Actually, that needs to be a little bit less than a 4th teaspoon. Now I'm going to be applying 4 tablespoons of cacao powder, and I'm gonna be mixing it together. I had to change the bowl because the other one wasn't big enough, so make sure you get a big bowl. And now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of flour. Now I am adding a 4th teaspoon of baking powder, and I've melted 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm gonna adding it to the mixture. When everything's well combined, I put in some white chocolate chips, but I didn't get it on camera. So once that is all combined, I'm gonna be putting the mixture into the cupcakes thingies, I don't know how you call it, and I'm gonna be putting them into a microwave for 2 minutes. Once they are already made, I let them cool down for a little bit, and meanwhile I'm just gonna be making the frosting. If you want to make the frosting by yourself, just keep on watching. If not, you can use yourself and just skip the part from the frosting. For the frosting, I'm just gonna be using 120 grams of not granulated sugar, I don't know how you call this one, but I put on in the screen so you know it. Actually 250 grams. And 250 grams of cream cheese. I put them both into a bowl and I mix them really well together. Once it has like this creamy texture, I put it into this thing that I don't know how you call, or you can use a bag if you don't have one of those, and I take off all the air from it, and I just put that on top of my cupcakes. And I sprinkle them just to decorate a little bit more. So that is it, guys. The cupcakes are so yummy and delicious, and it only takes about 10 minutes to make. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want some more recipes like this, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my channel so everyone knows how to make these delicious cupcakes. Love you. Bye.